A Westerville man is among the latest group of American evacuees from Wuhan, China, amid the spread of the deadly coronavirus.
John McGorry is now quarantined at Miramar Military Base in San Diego, where officials say several of the people he traveled home with are now hospitalized with symptoms of the virus. NBC4's Ted Hart caught up with McGorry via Skype today to talk about his journey and about this latest twist. As he's just trying to get home, Ted, this has been going on for him for weeks now.
Quite an adventure, really. He describes it as a grueling 37-hour journey, including 11 hours inside a plane where every little cough was considered suspicious. John McGorry has been teaching English at the university in Wuhan for the past 6 years, and while he's relieved to get away from the epicenter of the outbreak, McGorry says that he had mixed emotions about leaving people behind who he'd become friends with in his time there. He says the delays, the confusion, and the long flight made the trip pretty difficult, especially for the 60 or more children who were on board. McGorry says that the evacuees are constantly being monitored for a fever. He said he's had his temperature checked at least 45 times over the last 3 days. And he said it has been almost impossible not to be thinking about the virus all the time.
They put us on a bus. We're sitting on the tarmac at the Air Force Base, the Marine Base here, and there's a Chinese lady, in the row next to me, and she had a nasty cough, and it was like, all of a sudden you start, holding your mask on a little tighter and looking out the window, and it's still the same. Everyone's still a suspect.
And the CDC confirms 3 adults and 1 child who arrived with McGorry in San Diego have now been hospitalized with symptoms. McGorry says it's not clear yet whether his quarantine time might be extended beyond 14 days if tests confirm coronavirus among any of those evacuees. He said he hopes to get back to Westerville now by early March. Local for you and live at the Watch 4 Alert Desk, Ted Hart, NBC4.
Yeah, that has got to be a really frightening time for everyone who was on that plane. Thanks, Ted. The Ohio Department of Health is now looking into a possible case of coronavirus here.
Yeah, health officials say, though, because of privacy laws, at this point, they can't share any specific information about the person, but test results are expected back in a few days. Now, in China, health authorities in Wuhan continue working to build makeshift medical facilities to accommodate all of the people affected by the coronavirus. Now, it comes as the UN Health Agency today said that in the last 24 hours, it's seen the biggest jump in cases since the start of the epidemic. The number of confirmed cases has jumped 28,018, and the death toll rose to 563.
10 more people tested positive today for coronavirus on board that cruise ship off of Yokohama, Japan. That brings the ship's total number of cases on board to 20. 4 of the new cases are Japanese nationals. Others include an American and a Canadian.